Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
Let me just see if I can capture a little bit of Haikou at nighttime. Some kind of cool stuff, like way up there you can see something interesting. Nice buildings, big balconies. And I just saw the moon, but it's covered up in that cloud. I think I recall hearing something about it being quite cloudy most of the time. So we're going to go directly down this way, so stay tuned and we'll give you a little idea of what Haikou looks like at nighttime. It's a Sunday night. Haikou, up on the map, we're in Hainan. As you can see, we're going to narrow this down, and then the name of the street is Shuixiangkou Street. We're going to be walking around at nighttime. And then I got another Haikou coming up where I'm going to film it in the daytime, so you can see the difference between the night and the day. And I have about 15 other Haikou videos too, so I'm going to be uploading lots of other stuff around different streets in this particular area, which is probably one of the best areas in the whole city, and some other random stuff around as well. So anyways, stay tuned for that by subscribing, and then also stay tuned and you can hear the walk and talk where I'm going to walk down at nighttime down this street. Okay, so let's just keep the camera steady, going straight. Sometimes at night if I move it around too much, it's not good. So we'll just stay steady, try to give you an idea of the street. And so this city has, I think it goes back 600 years, and a lot of overseas Chinese that went to Malaysia, Singapore, parts of Thailand, like southern Thailand, the southern peninsula. So there's a connection between these kind of shop house style and what is kind of throughout Southeast Asia, including Hainan chicken. So Hainan chicken is also from Hainan, and that's pretty popular throughout Singapore and Malaysia, where a lot of diaspora went to. Okay, so it looks like we have some dining out here. Okay, so let's keep on walking. Let's try not to move my camera around too much, but if there's a certain side that's more interesting, I'll just kind of lean that way a little bit. There's kind of interesting stuff everywhere though. The problem is there's stuff that's interesting to the left and to the right. But we'll just stay steady here. Keep the camera so it doesn't at nighttime I usually don't try to film because it doesn't really, camera can be kind of jerky but these streets are kind of nice to capture at nighttime though. So yeah, this is part of Haikou. This is a city of about 2.3 million people, I believe. And these arcades are the kind of historic heart. I did explore some other parts of the city, including the beaches, which are actually quite nice, but it's a little bit cold. It's December right now, so it's about, don't know in Celsius, but in Fahrenheit it's about 70 degrees, which is about perfect actually, but not for swimming. Okay, this street has a nice little curvature to it. Didn't expect that. I thought I was coming to the end of the street, but it looks like it kind of meanders a little bit in the nicest way possible. Seeing some interesting food everywhere as well. Just trying not to move my camera around too much to capture them. That looks kind of tasty, that mango. The coconut is actually, they also call this the coconut city. I really want to move the camera around, and when I'm new to a city, my eyes are looking everywhere, but I can't move the camera everywhere at nighttime anyways. So we'll just keep on going all the way down, meandering. It's a cool city though, as you can see. Sort of shop houses. Kind of want to get something to eat here. And you can't see it, but I just stepped on some gum. God dang it. This seems like the kind of city that you would step on some gum. There's basically a lot of tourists from all over China that come here. So I haven't seen hardly any foreigners. I think I saw maybe one on a motorbike. But because of all the tourists, for some reason it kind of feels like they come from all over China. So the chance of somebody spitting a piece of gum seems like it's quite within realm. Here's how they get the bikes through these little things. I don't think they're supposed to carry the bikes over, but they do. I think they're supposed to leave them like that, like all these other bikes. Okay, so now we're out into just a random street, which are also cool too. But that was our cool little street that we just went down. So I think I'm actually gonna go back, so I'm gonna choose somewhere to eat. Okay. So hopefully that's another little taste of Haikou. Wish I could tell you the street name of this one, but I don't know it. But I think I'll be exploring more. I'll come over here tomorrow and I'll try to figure it out so I can label it accordingly. And on that note, we'll just come back to the... Try to see if I can find somewhere and show you what I'm going to get for food. I think the specialty here is mostly seafood. So the menus will have more like shrimp, oysters. Oysters I could get, octopus. I've been eating a lot of oysters already, or clams. What I want is beef, but it's not really a city for that. This is really photogenic right now. It's nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna come around to the upcoming corner again. Kind of want some of this, that mango kind of stuff. That looks pretty fried right there. More shrimp. There's a lot of shrimp here. Okay, so we're just gonna come around the corner real quick. Just kind of film this photogenic. The way that meanders is really nice with the lights. And we started down that way, so I'm gonna choose something, but and on that note, we're gonna end the video.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City.